guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dima Tutorials. As you guys already know, Dima Tutorials is an educational channel on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. I just finished a session with my students in intensive online classes, and I'm a bit tired. Okay, I'm a bit tired since I gave myself the challenge of uploading videos every day for 20 days. I had to show up. Okay, I had to show up and keep to my words. So today I want us to look at another question from JAMB past questions. Okay, I want us to look at another question from JAMB past questions. Here we are going to look at interpretation of sentences. Interpretation of sentences. Okay, I've already told them in the class, those in my intensive online class, how to interpret sentences, how to understand sentences based on their structures, how to understand unfamiliar idioms, the things you should do and the things you should not do while asking questions on interpretation of sentences. Okay, so I've already taught them this in details, and we solved past questions on interpretation of sentence, and everyone in the class has understood and can interpret sentences accurately. Okay, now we're going to look at this question on interpretation of sentences. If you were here, it could be more fun. If you were here, it could be more fun. Now, this sentence is on conditional sentences. This sentence is on conditional sentences. I've also taught them conditional sentences. Now, we started on the 4th of November, so we've covered a lot of topics already. Okay, we've covered a lot of topics, and we just have a few topics to cover before the end. By the end of February, we should be done with. We should have treated all the topics, and by March we'll start revisions. Okay, I've taught them conditional sentences. Okay, taught them zero conditional, first conditional, second and third conditional, and this sentence is on the second conditional sentence. Okay, what is a second conditional sentence? A second conditional sentence is a sentence that is used in describing improbable situations that are unlikely to happen. Okay, situations that are hypothetical, improbable situations that are hypothetical, okay, imaginary, not factual, okay, not real. Now let's look at this. If we were here, it could be more fun. If we were here, it could be more fun. Okay, now like I said, this sentence is on the second conditional sentence, hypothetical situation. Okay, to talk about improbable situations, okay, things that did not happen, okay, things that are unlikely to happen, things that are hypothetical. That's what second conditional sentences do. Okay, now let's say for example, if I were a doctor, I would work in a hospital. Okay? I'm not a doctor, okay, so and it's impossible for me to work in a hospital. Okay, it's impossible for me to work in a hospital. I am just imagining it. What would happen if I were a doctor? So the fact is that the situation is impossible. So when you want to talk about unlikely situations, you use the second conditional sentences. Okay, use the second conditional sentence. Talk about unlikely situations. He was expected but did not show up. Okay, now the sentence does not tell us that the person was actually being expected. Now, I told them in the class that you must choose an option that states exactly what the sentence states, not an option that gives extra information, but the option that states exactly the information that is contained in the given sentence. Make sure the sentence you are choosing, make sure the option you are choosing contains the same information that is in a given sentence. He was expected but did not show up to make the occasion lively. Now, the sentence does not tell us that the person was actually being expected. Okay, it's possible for someone to make a statement like this without even expecting the person before then. So the sentence does not tell us that the person was actually expected. So this is why this option is wrong. Okay, this option is wrong because the sentence does not tell us that the person was expected. There was no fun because he was not present. Because he was not present. There was no fun. Yes, there was a omitted note. There was no fun because he was not present. Okay. Now, the given sentence does not tell us that there was no fun. Okay. The sentence says, it could be more fun, which means there was fun, but the speaker expected more fun. Okay. So this sentence is wrong. The second option is wrong. Okay, because the given sentence does not say that there was no fun, but that's that it could be more fun. Okay, not that there was no fun at all. So this option is wrong. They did not show up. Okay, if you were here, it shows you that he did not show up. Okay, he did not show up. So the occasion lacked much fun. This is the correct answer. The occasion lacked much fun. Not that the occasion did not have fun. It's there was no much fun. There was no much fun. It lacked much fun. Not that there was no fun at all. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Interpreting sentences. Like I said, make sure you choose an option that contains the exact information that is in the given statement. You also have to use the sentence structure because there are some different sentence structures, okay, that will help you in knowing the right way to interpret a sentence. And also you also have to learn how to interpret unfamiliar idiom, which I've already taught them in the online class. Okay, so you have to learn how to interpret unfamiliar idioms to do well in the session on interpretation of sentences. So this is all we're going to have today. Tomorrow we'll look at another question. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much for watching. And if you've not joined my online classes, make sure you use the number that is on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message. And I have other teachers of other subjects that are coaching the students on the other subjects. Okay, chemistry, physics, mathematics, CRS, literature. There are different teachers for those subjects. So make sure you join us. Use the number on the screen. If you're praying for JAMB UTME VIXE, make sure you join us. Use the number on the screen to send me a WhatsApp message. The fee is 1,000 naira per subject per month. For a whole month, you're going to be learning a subject for just 1,000 naira. So make sure you join us immediately. By the end of February, we're going to cover all the topics in the syllabus, and by March, we'll start our revisions. So make sure you join us. We are serious about smashing this sales UTME with a score of 350. That's the target, okay? Make sure you join us immediately. All right, that'll be all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys again on Monday. Today is Friday, so I'll see you on Monday. Thank you and bye.